All right, working out, Lori. I mean, it's Monday. It's dreary outside. We got to lift our mood some way, and the only way to do that is to work out.
That's right. Health and wellness expert Stephanie Mansour is here to tell us how we can keep the stamina up even when the temperature is rising, and then we just kind of want to go, oh, we don't have the energy.
I know, but
This
we want to.
humidity is making me so sleepy.
Cheese with that wine. I know. Yeah, it is nicer to just kind of like curl up in bed and just, you know, watch the weather from inside your house. But unfortunately, you know, when the temperatures rise, that can be something that we can use to motivate us to want to go outside and get that workout in outside. So if it is a bright sunny day, like I think it's going to be later in the week, you know, we can take advantage of that weather. So first, the step is to get the gear. So you want to have something that makes you excited. So bright, you know, hot colored shoes are going to get you excited to be moving. These are actually Asics, so these are great. So make sure you have a good pair of outdoor workout shoes. And if you are going to be running or walking outside, orthotics and inserts are a good thing to purchase.
Really? Orthotics?
Yes.
Oh, I don't know about that, Steph. I mean, where do you find this stuff?
You
and then,
can-
like, excuse me, I need to buy orthotics for my sneakers? Never. I'd rather my feet be amputated.
This makes it more comfortable.
No one has to see it, bro. She'll be coming in with her sunglasses on and a hat.
Wig.
Well, this makes it so that your shoes are a little bit more comfortable. So if you're outside, you know, it's a different terrain than those treadmills inside or the ellipticals. So you want to make sure you're prepared. You can get these anywhere from the drugstore all the way up to custom-made orthotics. So
Custom-made.
Yeah, custom-made. And then you're outside, so I love working out with a top that has like an open back, so you can get a little more wind in your sails as you're moving.
Really?
Yes. And speaking of the wind, are you ready for me to show you some stretches?
Yes, of course.
Okay. You don't have to do these with me, but when you're getting ready for your workout outside, you want to make sure that you're stretching dynamically. So you want to be moving. Instead of holding something static, you want to get the wind moving throughout your body. So this is going to help cool you down before you even work out. Yeah.
Okay.
So just leaning forward, getting the hamstrings, bending, getting the hip flexors, and really loosening up the torso and the arms. And again, it feels really good because you're getting that wind coming into your face. You're cooling off before you even start.
Right.
Now, the next step is to have markers for your run or for your outdoor workout that are different than what you have for the gym. So I like to call this, well, I like to change your brain. So instead of going by distance or instead of going by number of minutes, let's look ahead and see, okay, is there a boat that I see along the water, or is there a person, or is there a tree? I'm going to speed up and go really fast until I hit that marker, and then I'm going to slow down and pick a new one.
So goals of some sort, really.
Yeah, you're using nature and your environment to kind of spice up your workout.
Like you could say, like in your case, a store.
Right.
She's having a sale. You set that as you go.
I'm going to slow down as I get there.
Right.
I'm going to stop as I get there.
That's actually one of my other tips too, though. Because
sorry, I didn't mean to jump the gun on that.
No, that's great. You want to have a reward. So whether it is going into a nice air-conditioned store, or whether you go to your favorite coffee shop and you're going to get an iced latte, maybe you want to go into an air-conditioned museum, you want to make sure that you have that reward on your mind because it gives you something to look forward to and it motivates you.
So should we be thinking walking, running, jogging? What are we thinking?
Yes, so I would say to speed as fast as you can up to that little marker that you set for yourself, and then you want to do some strength training that gets you airborne. Now, what I mean by that is instead of just doing a basic squat, you know, like you would do in the gym, we're going to do a little squat with a jump and just get some air going so that you're cooling off while you're heating up. So a squat jump is great, or you can move into a lunge, and instead of doing this static lunge, we're going to do a lunge and pull the knee up. Lunge, pull the knee up, just so, you know, we're getting that airflow.
Can you borrow from nature when it comes to, say, strength training? Can you pick up a rock?
Yes.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, pick up a rock, use it as a kettlebell swing, or you can even go onto a park bench. I know, Rosanna thinks I'm crazy. But the park bench, you know, doing the
dogs might have been all over that rock. I'm not touching the raccoons. Nothing. I'm not touching nothing.
Wear gloves.
Unless I know where it's been sanctioned.
Now that's good with the bench.
Tricep dips on the bench, yeah. So you just want to try to use your surroundings to recreate your workout. And I always tell my private weight loss clients, you want to incorporate that cardio with the strength training.
That's what I wanted to ask you. I mean, if you were to divide up the week on exercise, more cardio, more weight lifting or just equal?
Yeah, so I would say more strength training if I had to pick. because
Interesting.
When we build the muscles are what helps us burn the fat. So we're trying to burn as much fat as possible.
I always thought cardio was better for you, right?
Yeah.
Are you a cardio queen?
You know what? I do love cardio, but I realize it's not enough.
Right, it isn't enough. And especially if you're talking about burning fat, you want to add in that strength training. But cardio is a good stress release, and it's good, if you just set the same pace and go, it's good mindless, exercise. But if you can add in the strength training, that's what's going to get your body to make some shifts.
Yeah, you're
and
more
moves.
focused, I guess, a little bit more if you're doing that.
Right, yes.
All right, Steph, where can people find you?
Yeah, we have a free 21-day challenge. It's at stepitupchallenge.com, and it's all about confidence-boosting exercises, workouts, and even a healthy eating plan.
Love it. All right.
We need that.
We
All
got
right,
it.
Steph.
Thank you.
Thanks
It was great
so
to have
much.
you here.
Thank you.